Hey, Alias here, and have no fear, magic will appear. Well, sort of. It's been a while since I've released a script. I was pretty busy, and all I could do is to answer your questions and provide assistance as much as I could. I have an bunch of scripts, and I will try to release them as soon as possible. But today I'm going to show you how to use my waterfall script. The waterfall is composed by two parts. For each one we have a dedicated object. One will serve as the water source and the second as the water splash. Notice that the stream of water flows on a parabolic trajectory given by water pressure, and the pressure is controlled by two parameters. I go in ini waterfall SQF file. Here we have examples both for water source and for the water splash. For the water source we have three parameters. First one controls the water pressure on x-axis. The second one controls the water pressure on y-axis. And the third parameter, you don't need to change it because we're going to run the script using the init field of the object itself. To prove my point, I'm going to copy all these four examples and use four objects in the editor. So we're going to have a stream of water flowing towards east, another towards west, north and south. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. Based on this script you could design a fountain as well. But let me show you what location I found for my waterfall on Stratis. Here we have a nice wall of rocks. I'm going to place an object here and go in the script, copy the line, go back in Arma and paste the line in the init field of the object and see how it looks. As you can see, the water flows in the wrong direction. All you need to do is to tweak the pressure parameters. You can do it by trial and error until you find the right values. I already found the values which are right for this location. I'm going to use them. Okay, so now we have the water source. We're going to deal with the water splash now. I'm going to place an object trying to approximate where the water hits the surface of the sea. I go into the ini waterfall file again, and this time I copy the line as it is from this example. You don't need to change anything, just paste it in the init field of the object, which will work as water splash. Okay. Looking good. The script runs mostly on client side, and if the player is more than 2 clicks away from the waterfall, it will stop running. Let's move my character away, then check out the waterfall. And here it goes off. This should save resources a little. If you want, you can edit the script to accommodate whatever distance you prefer. Maybe you want to stop the waterfall when the player is much closer than 2 clicks or much farther. It's up to you. Basically you can place a waterfall wherever will make sense to have one, and on any terrain you want. For instance, here I placed one waterfall on Bistrica, here on Tanoa, and depending on the wall orientation I've changed the direction towards which the water flows. Now another thing you can do is to place more waterfalls by simply copy and pasting the initial objects and choosing a different location. Or you can make a waterfall much wider with more streams of water. But when placing multiple waterfalls, you have to keep an eye on frames, especially if the waterfalls are placed close to each other. The number of particles will be pretty high and the sound will overlap and will make them louder. This was it. I hope it will be easy for you to use the script. Until next time, have fun and happy editing!